More innovation from Phoenix. First we delivered the industry-leading Air Max, then we followed it up with the Dry Max, and now the next ultra portable Dry Max XL, baby! Get more bang, make more buck. 125 ppd at 7.7 amps at AHEM in a box this small in XL? Are you kidding me? Get double the revenue on your truck or your Sprinter van, or for a large loss, your semi. That's double the revenue. It's got a fold down handle, 8-inch wheels, a storage pocket for your condensate hose and your power cord. It's inlet and outlet ductable with dual 10-inch or a single 14-inch lay flat. The unit has superior stacking and easy access for service. It's got a patented 5-coil design with an infinitely variable self-adjusting blower for ultra LGR performance. Oh, and one more thing. The unit has built-in Bluetooth with our free DryLink app, a job-based drying log app. There's no usage fees. It's compatible with iOS and Android. You can easily create drying logs for jobs with accurate data, and you can add multiple chambers as needed. DryMax XL and DryLink. Get more bang, make more buck.